Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone voice in 11 Labs. To clone a voice in 11 Labs, you need to follow this step. First, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down 11labs.io and enter it. And make sure to log in the top right. And once you get into this interface, in the left hand side, there's this icon for the voices. Click over here. And here, what you need to do is select to this create voice in the top right. And here you can do this voice design instant voice clone and select to this instant voice clone. What you need to do is you can simply upload a file or you can also record an audio right away. As I'm going to select to this record audio. After you're done, you need to select to this next at the bottom right. And this is it. This is how you can clone the voice in 11 Lab. You can simply preview the voice over here. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.